Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to highlight and PDF files in seconds. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open any browser on your computer or laptop. Now go on the search bar and type this Sajda PDF editor. Alright, just go on the first website, sajda.com. Click on upload PDF file and upload your PDF file over here. Okay, let me zoom out. I'm going to upload another PDF file. Alright, for example, I want to highlight this part. So what you have to do, just click on the text. Okay, here, go on annotate and select highlight. Select any one of these colors. I'm going with red and just highlight it like this. Also, you can use other colors like yellow and green. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.